sarcasm cuts people emotionally. Personal growth and development takes place outside of our comfort zone. You got to get outside of your comfort zone. And to get outside of the comfort zone, you got to be vulnerable. And if you got to make sure that your culture is a safe place for people to be vulnerable. And there are some things that you can't allow in your culture. And one of them is sarcasm. What is sarcasm? Sarcasm is an underhanded way of telling somebody something that you're not willing to tell them in an upfront, open, honest manner. And sarcasm cuts people emotionally. Just spend all day with somebody that's really sarcastic and you'll come away really drained. Not fulfilled, not energized, but drained. So sarcasm drains a person. It actually cuts emotional flesh. It comes from a French word that means to actually tear flesh. So what causes sarcasm? What's the root of sarcasm? Sarcasm is an individual that's making a judgment about something, and that judgment is poisoned by negative emotions. It might be poisoned by a little bit of anger. It might be poisoned by a little bit of disappointment. It might be poisoned by a little bit of frustration, but the judgment's poisoned. And the reason the person is being sarcastic is an issue of boundaries. This person is not owning their disappointment, their anger, or whatever the negative emotion is. So the negative emotion seeps out and leaks out in sarcasm. You can't hide it. So don't allow sarcasm in your culture. It cuts emotional flesh. Thank you, and God bless. Subscribe to my channel. Hit this bell to be notified when a new video comes out.